Hmm. Little quiet this week. Just finished these parts. Pretty cool. So my lathe is broken. Started with the RS 232, didn't work, and now the screen doesn't work. So I'll have a TV repairman look at it Monday. Sucks pretty bad. I hope he can fix it, or else it's I think it's 1,000 euros for a LCD replacement, and 100 pounds, British pounds, for the RS 232 replacement card. So, and I have no idea what to look for. So this sucks. Not what I wanted. I need this machine next week. I got some parts that's in a hurry, so I'm pretty fucked up. I don't have a 3-jaw chuck on the small lathe, sadly, so I can't make the parts over there. They are 90 millimeters. So shit happens. I had a ride on my Harley today. Too bad it started to raining right after I left town. So see ya.